Wetlands are environments where water meets land. This includes everything from peatlands, lakes and swamps, to river and coastal areas. Most of us live close to wetlands, and it's been like this for thousands of years. Wetlands are home to plants and animals that rely on these unique environments. But they take care of us too, providing clean water, food, protection against flooding, and places to relax. Nearly half of all species depend on wetlands for their survival. Migratory birds stop here to eat, rest, and breed. Even the tiny organisms we can't see play a major role in these ecosystems. This is why wetlands are so essential for biodiversity. Seagrass meadows and kelp forests offer safe places for young fish to grow. These areas also support organisms like mussels, crabs and lobsters, which are, in turn, eaten by wading birds and mammals. Without wetlands, there would be significantly less food for both humans and other animals. Water from fields, drains and roads is often polluted. When it rains, the polluted water flows into streams and rivers. These wetlands act as a giant filter, where the water is naturally purified by roots, insects and other organisms. A single freshwater pearl mussel can, for instance, filter 5 buckets of water per day. Wetlands help clean drinking water long before it reaches your glass. Heavy rain and melting snow increase the risk of dangerous flooding. Peatland sphagnum moss can absorb 20 times its own weight in water, while floodplains and channels allow rising rivers to spread safely. When peatlands are damaged by human construction, their ability to absorb water is lost. Without this protection, there is an increased risk of flooding and destruction. Preserving wetlands helps reduce damage caused by extreme weather. All organisms contain carbon. Usually when animals and plants die, they decompose and release carbon into the air as CO2. This contributes to climate change. In peatlands, however, water levels are high and oxygen levels are low. This causes plants and animal remains to break down very slowly. As a result, the carbon is stored in the peat, and it can be trapped in the ground for thousands of years. Peatlands play an important role in carbon storage. Preserving them and the carbon they contain is a massive win for the climate. But wetlands are under threat. Many have already been destroyed or built over. When you protect wetlands, we protect the climate, nature, and ourselves. Wetlands are also important for human well-being. They can be used for ice skating, canoeing, swimming, and foraging. In fact, spending just 10 minutes in a wetland can have positive effects on our health. Wetlands can contribute positively to our mental and physical health throughout our lives.